Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. I'm Prashant and today I'll talk about how to connect Node.js with MySQL. So in the previous video also I talked about that how to connect Node.js with MySQL. Today I'll talk about how to get that output in the browser. So this is the unique thing of that video from the previous one. The difference between the two is that in this video I'll talk about how to get output in the browser. Earlier we have output in the CMD. Now I'll talk about how to get the output in browser. So yes, firstly you have to create this MySQL app where that MySQL, yes. So this firstly we have to create where MySQL and require. We have to import the MySQL. So I have imported here the where MySQL require MySQL web. Now I want the output in browser. So I have to write where HTTP require HTTP. Okay, yes. I have to write this where HTTP and require HTTP so that my output would be in the browser. And I have to create that HTTP to be create server, and I have created a function called request response. So this is REQ means request and then response, and then I've created a connection which is where con MySQL create connection, and simply you have to write the name of host which is localhost, username which is root, password which is mine which is ctit, and the database I'm using is node student. And now we have this con to connect to the function error, and if there is any error it will throw the error. You can see that here. And now I will insert the details in the table info. So this is the three column I am adding, roll number, name and marks. Values is the values 101 Prashant. Okay, I have to change this value to, let's say my friend name is Ankit, so I have to write Ankit and its roll number is 3103 and its marks is 89. So yes, now I will create a query, not query, you can say I will get the output in here. So that's why I have written here con.query SQL function error result, and if there is any error it will throw error. And in the output, so yes, this request is taking input and this response is it will respond, so it will get output. So I have to write this res.write, and whatever I want to print in the browser I will write here. So I have written here one record inserted. So one record inserted would be printed on the browser if everything goes fine and everything would be run perfectly. And that I have closed all the opening, and I have here used listener 1890, so it would be printed in that port number, you can say. Okay, so I'll show you how to run it. Okay, I'm again running it. It is student database OP browser. So I have to go to the CMD file. Okay, it's CMD, and now I have to write the student database OP means output browser.js. So I hope it is going well, and I will get the output in here. So I will again write it localhost 8090, and as you can see it is perfectly running and it is showing that one record inserted. uh, I'll show you that whether it is inserted in my table or not. Sorry for this inconvenience. Yes, So sorry. Yes. So it's my MySQL. Yes. Password I'm entering. Now I have to use the database name is Node student and database has been changed. Now I will my table name is info. So I have to get the information to write this. And as you can see, it is perfectly running and it has been successfully inserted on the table info. Talking about this Node.js, Node.js is a powerful JavaScript runtime environment built on Google's Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. It is an open source and cross-platform widely used by thousands of developers around the world to develop and input-output intensive web applications like video streaming sites, single-page application, and other web applications. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day.